something special that I bought off the eBay last week and it came today. The one on the left is a Robs and Myers. Looks like to be a 12-inch. I'm not sure the model number. The one on the right is a Sterling Chicago electric fan. Maybe if I can get the information. Catalog something. This can't work focus properly. Let me. 2007? I'll have to double check that. Yep, I was right. 2007. And unfortunately, I'm going to have to redo the cage because the blades are rubbing up against it. And this one, the cage is loose. And I'm not sure what the model number is on this. Let me see if I can't get this gentle to take down. And, oh, there is some information. R3704A, I think. Whatever. Serial B, yeah. Robs and Myers, Memphis, Tennessee. So, yeah. Let me double check that. Yep, I was right. R3704A. So, yeah. And here's the fun part. These were not tested. The seller said he did not test them out, so... I mean, the Sterling, I can figure out why. This one, who knows? So... let me see what I can do, and we'll see what we got. Well, first order of business for this one, I mean, tighten the screws. I can do this. Yeah, I could have gotten the tripod and everything, but... yeah, this is so exciting, is it not? I'm going to be seeing me handle this and maybe have fail live on camera. Fails live on camera are cool. As long as nobody gets hurt or anything burns, so... Alright. And there's still something stuck. How nice. And it looks like it's that blade. Yep. Bumping up against this thing, so... So, yay. Let me see if I can't do this with one. You know, I'm going to turn the camera off and bend it, so stand by. Alright, I kind of did something. I mean, it clears it, but it's probably going to need some oil. This one I'm going to wait on. This one, on the other hand, I'm probably going to have to do something with. I know I'm going to have to pull the cage and everything, so... You know what? Hold that thought. You know what? No, I'm gonna... No, you're gonna not see this. Hopefully you can see it, because... Hey. Makes you wonder. Yeesh. Oh, I could have been... Oh, that's going to need some oil badly. Yeah, you heard that. So... in case you don't see ya. So, let's get the oil out. Apparently the camera may have stopped, but either way, it's a little better, but it's not screeching as badly on counterclockwise, where I spin it clockwise. So I don't know what the story is on this. And I kind of slopped around because I don't have a zoom spot oiler, so sometimes gotta make do with nothing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let this sit for a while. And if I have to, I'll let it sit. I'll let it, like I said, let it sit for a day or two and see what happens. This one I'm kind of concerned about. So let's see what I can do. Okay, I got this thing plugged in, so I really should have done this. Should have thought about this safer, but okay, it's a 2-speed one. At least it does turn. It does need oil, so we got that. This one, like I said, I'm letting it sit, let the oil creep a bit, and we'll probably come back to this later.
The next day.
Okay, it's been about 24 hours, and figured I'd see what happens. It spins, but oh, that still doesn't sound right at all. Let's see how bad it is, and if we have to, I'll just set this one aside and... It does spin, it does blow air. Yeah, I'm still gonna have to probably douse it with some good synthetic oil. But it does run and it will spin, so that's something. And I've noticed that this has a tag that says vintage free amp for $35. Funny story, I paid that much for both of them. So, well, we got that going. Let's see how all this thing goes. So, yeah. Well, we may or may not be able to see if this will work, because I've noticed the cord is dry. I don't see any wires flaking off yet, but ooh, I'm even scared to use this. So yeah, this may not run, and that one still needs work. Oh yeah, yeah. Well, that was kind of a bust, don't you think? I literally soaked the bearings of this for the entire night, see what happened, and it's still kind of so dry. So this one's going to need some work. It does work, as it is. Surprise, surprise. But that's not what bothered me. What bothered me, I expected this one to be perfect, but then I find the cord cracking, and we all know what happened last time I used a fan that with the cracked cord. Well, nothing really happened, but it could have been a top story on Channel 7, so yeah. Quick, call Julie Cornell. But yeah, this one's going to be non-operable until I get the cord, and notice the paint's all flaky. Flaky. So, I don't know. I just don't know. So who knows what will happen next? Who cares what happens next? I don't know. So till next time, whatever it is, I'm Eskie. Thank you for watching. Come on, box is open.